Hi guys, so boy soup not the aka at the verse, and if I the verse I dey talk anyhow, I want to say something concerning the prison break and the station that just burned down. A lot of people have been saying that the Edo youth is responsible for those things that be happening, for the prison break and the station that burned down. And let me tell every one of you that are watching this video right now, let me tell you something. See, don't forget we are in battle with the leaders. We are in battle with the bad leaders. And I want to advise anybody that want to speak on social media, as in, beware of what you say and be careful of what you want to say. See, if you want to speak on social media, please, if you are from Edo State and you want to speak or you want to do a video on social media, please mind what you say. Don't just come out say this is not how we started to. This is not how we plan it to. Edo youth now don't they do pass themselves. Edo youth don't they key. They don't open prison. Edo youth now don't they put fire for station. Edo youth don't they steal. Edo youth don't they rape. What is wrong with you? Did you forget you are as in, do you forget that world is listening to you? World is listening to you. Mind what you say on social media. Don't go say a word that the whole world will use against the youth of Edo State. Don't go say something that will make the world dey against our protest. Let me tell you, see, if you want to speak something, if you want to say something like that, you can use your language. Use your language. You can speak your own language to advise your people. Why those things they go on like this? Why did this? If you want to speak English, you can speak something that will be against the leaders. Something like, see, don't forget that you are in battle with group of notorious criminal, because those are our leaders. They are criminal. Don't forget you are in battle with bad leaders. Let me tell you something. Are you forget that those people, they are trying their possible best to put an end in this protest. Those people, they are working hard just to achieve glory, just to achieve their heart desire. But we say no to that. The reason why we will stand for our feet, the reason why we will support ourselves, the reason why we need to fight this battle in one mind is for us to achieve victory. See, we should not be blaming ourselves, our boys. We should not be blaming our youth. Don't come out on social media. Then they talk say, Benin youth don't rape, Benin youth don't burn station, Benin youth don't do this one. See, don't forget that the people you are battle with, they can do such a thing. They can do underground overnight something that you will not understand. Those people, they can open the prison for those prisoners to come out. Those people, they can set people, they can send people to burn down those police stations just to achieve their victory. See, let me tell you, okay, the prisoner when they come out yesterday, some carry luggage, some carry school bag, some carry sack bag, some even bath, some dress. My guy, think prisoner. If you are in prison and you hear that they open door, will you as I don't know how to put it. Once you hear that the prison gate are be open, the only thing you think that particular time is to move. Not to go above, not to dress up, not to find your bag, not to carry your luggage. For you to know that those prisoners that escape, they are already informed. They are already aware that tomorrow they are going to leave that place. So they already informed them that they should get ready, tomorrow they will leave. That is the reason why you see those people, they dress up, they carry their travel bag, they carry their things, because they already tell them tomorrow they are going to be a movement. That is why all of them they ready for the escape. Now you guys, I'm not saying those state youth, they don't do that. Those state you don't rape. Those state don't bus station. Those youth don't open prison. What is wrong with you guys? See, all those things that be going on. Our leader is responsible. Our leaders is responsible, because our leader is ready to do anything possible just to lay allegation on our head. We should not be blaming ourselves. Once we are blaming ourselves, the world will see what they are going to use to judge against us. Let the world know, say, those things that are going on, it was the bad leader is responsible for those things that be going on in Nigeria. Because ever since 2 weeks when they have been protesting, if our president come out and answer and utter a word, I believe maybe everything for don't come. But he lock up. But once he hear that something go wrong, that time now he go take pronounce a word, say we locked Benin for 24 hours. We shut them down for 24 hours. What is wrong with you, Buhari? What is your problem? See, let me tell you, Buhari, enough is enough. This year, this protest must continue until you answer us. This protest must continue until you stop all those SARS, all those SWATs. We should not give up. We should not give up. Guys, think of it. Think of this. If we give up, what will happen to us next? What will happen to our generation? What will happen to our parents? If we give up, guys, we should not give up. We should not allow those that strategy to weigh us down. We should not allow those that evil plan to weigh us down. We should stand for our right. We should continue to protest in Nigeria to let them know that enough is enough. Now the president said to us that we are a lazy youth. Now we are proving them wrong that we are not a lazy youth. You understand? So we have to let them know we are not a lazy youth. We are now wise. We are now wake up. We are now know our rights. So we are fighting for our rights. Police brutality must stop, and all those bad leaders must leave that seat. This is not the first time. They have done it everywhere. We don't need you. You need to go. We don't need you. Secondly, please, Edo youth, we should learn how to respect our celebrity. We should learn how to respect our superstar. We have a lot of comedians, a lot of celebrity, a lot of actresses in Benin. But I watched a video the other day whereby I see MC Casilo, MC Alamanu, comedian Agmofo, a lot of comedians. They are on the street. Nobody regard them. Nobody regard them. Why? Nobody regard them. All those people, they are our superstar. We need to regard them. We need to follow them. That is why we don't know how those things can happen inside Benin. So we need to follow all those our superstar, all those celebrities. We need to follow them so that they will lead us. And we pray to God they should not lead us into temptation. You understand? So we need to follow them. If you see the other states like Enugu and Lagos State, this other state, Demfino, Flavor, KC, all of them, they come out. Their fans always with them, always gather them, they always follow them, they always appreciate them, they honor them and they respect them. So once you respect those people, they will lead you, and they cannot lead you into temptation. They cannot pull hand for something that's not good. I believe those people, they don't want to stain themselves with bad record. Please, We should learn how to respect our celebrity. We should learn how to respect our comedians, our superstar. We should learn how to obey them. Are you getting me now? Please, because a lot of people are be asking me, Soup, why is it that this protest, why is it that you take this protest as personal? See, do you know the reason why I take this protest as personal is because those bad leaders, they are the reason why we are suffering today. Those bad leaders, they are the reason why our parents are suffering today. Can you imagine, as I'm talking to you right now, a lot of people from village, they don't even know what is going on in their own country because of no light, no electricity, no free internet, no phone. A lot of people in village, they don't even know what is going on in their country. But go for Europe. If you're in Europe, if anything is going on in this country, everybody will, just an hours, everybody will be aware. Why? Because they have free internet, they have free electricity, they have everything. That is the reason why they are be killing us and we don't know. They are be killing us because I believe a lot of people that are in Europe today, if to say the day Nigeria now, a lot of now for no even know what they go on for the world. Now for their village, as I talk to you now, some people their village now that they go farm, they don't even know what they happen. They not now here they tell you here they say there's no police. They don't even know whether they tough like this, whether the thing even they serious like this. They're not here just because our bad leaders, they don't make the opportunity for them to know what is going on in the world because they lock them. They push them aside like say they are not the citizen of Nigeria. But Europe, anybody. And let me come again for the cripple and the embezzled in Nigeria. See, do you know that this country, the people they appreciate past in Europe country is those they are embezzled, they are debtor done, they are crippled. They respect them so much, they appreciate them so much. All of them, they are receiving their salary just because of their condition. But what happened in our country? We commonize them, we look them like nobody, we treat them like nobody just because of our bad leaders. Treat them like nobody. Once you see a cripple, you spit on him. Once you see an embezzler, you spit on him or her. This is the time for all those people to know their right. This is the time for all the embezzlers to have their own right. Their own rights in Nigeria. This is the time for all the deaf and dumb of the cripple to have their own rights. You understand? We need to fight this battle once and for all. One after the other. We say stop SARS. We are not only fighting for stop SARS. We are fighting for the betterment of Nigeria. Not only to stop SARS, stop bad government. That is what you stand for. I don't know whosoever that watching me this morning, this minute, wherever you are watching from. I'm from Nigeria and I stand from Nigeria. If you are watching for Canada, for America, wherever you are watching this video, I want to assure you people that all those things that are going on in Nigeria, or those things that are going on right now in Nigeria, all those prison break and the station got burned, I want to tell you the truth this morning. The protester, they are not responsible. They are not responsible of those things that got down. It was the government that sponsored the people that does that. Those people that put fire on police in that police station, those people that open the prison gate for the prison people to come out, it was our governor, it was our government. because I'm not mentioning one person. It was our bad leaders that sponsored that, because they're ready to sponsor anything just to conquer the youth. Anything that you see today or tomorrow go wrong in that country, it was the bad leaders that sponsored them, because they can do undo, they can go any length just to stop the youth protest. And we say no to that. If you are watching me anywhere, we need assistance and we need support. We need reply. We need everybody from the whole world to support us in this protest. We need our freedom. We need our freedom. This is the time for us to wake up. We need our freedom. Please, we need our freedom. This is what I'm here for. I'm fighting for my people. I'm fighting for my rights. I'm fighting for my generation. I don't want my generation to suffer the suffer I'm suffer. I don't want my generation to suffer the suffer I've been suffering for many years. I don't want my children to continue for this mess. Please, guys, learn how to talk. If you cannot protest, you can protest online. I said it before. If you are not in Nigeria to protest, if you are in Canada, wherever you are, please, if you cannot come outside or you don't have the opportunity to protest outside, please protest online. Protest online. This is your phone. You can protest on phone and post it. The world will say it. Say something positive to yourself, to the youth. Say things negative to the bad leaders. Please, we should not be fighting ourselves. We should not be putting blame ourselves. Stop putting blame on those state youth, so that tomorrow they will not judge you with that. Whatsoever you say now, they are going to use it against you in the court of law. Know how to speak, know how to talk, not just come out and talk anyhow. Not just come out and say the Benin people just do that. Benin people, see, don't forget you are in battle with people. Don't forget you are in battle with some beast. Tomorrow they are going to judge this case. If they are going to judge this case, they are going to bring a lot of evidence. What are the evidence? What you say. What you say is the evidence. They are going to bring out a lot of evidence through you, through what you say. Even if you see Percy, say you see Percy where you do them, say now the people they protest, now they do them, hide them. Not come out and say, I just see Manuel, they burn station. Now that one they send them, I just see this one, they burn this one. Now that one they send them. No. Talking that word, hide them. If you see the Emmanuel, you can go to Emmanuel one-on-one to tell him that this thing you are doing is not good. But not speak it out on social media, because they are going to use it against you in the court of law. You guys just talk anyhow. Blah, 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 blah. The state youth don't burn station. The state youth don't burn this thing. Are you alright? For you? Are you kidding me? You forget that you are fighting battle with some people, some Lusians, and you are accusing the youth. How dare you? Even if now then do and you support talk come out. This is not by. See, in anything you do, there must go to be a judgment. Before the judgment, they will ask for evidence. Who are the evidence? Now those in our world, all those things when they talk, maybe the evidence, all those things when they talk. You catch person for there, when you see that two people, and for una, when be say, una see uniform for ground, police uniform you carry and you wear them. You see police uniform for ground, you pick and you wear them. You are endangering. You are bringing danger to yourself. You see police uniform for ground, you wear them just for people to know say you are a bad guy. No, you are bringing danger to yourself. If they are going to judge any case, don't you know they will go through online in anything you are doing now? They are saving some things. They will catch you out. Don't you look at one of them? They will say you don't kill police, you kill and finish, you wear the uniform. Now they carry uniform and they wear them. My problem is that if you still do the video, give them now. Some people don't watch them. Some people don't want to listen. They don't want to listen. They don't even know what you talk. They don't want to even listen at all. That is the problem I have with those state people. Please, this is the time for us to fight for our rights. Not the time for us to fight ourselves. Not time for us to accuse ourselves. Not time for us to put blame on ourselves. Let us learn how to respect ourselves and guide ourselves and protect our brothers. Be your brother keeper. Don't be your brother exposer. Why are you exposing your fellow brother? Why are you exposing your fellow youth? Why are you exposing your fellow brother? You are telling me that the youth Benin this state that burn this one down. Who tell you? You did there when they open the gate? How can the protester open the prison gate for less than 1 hour? Don't you think? Say something that will let the world know that you are innocent. How can a prison gate be open less than 1 hour? Do you know what is prison gate? If not be set up, if not be say they don't already plan for ground before. Now you see they tell they say, no see they let world know say no do am. No get sense. You don't know say that thing are set up. You don't know say that thing now our enemy work with that. That is the hand of our enemy. To learn how to talk. If you cannot talk, get out of social media. Don't go put the youth for problem. We need victory for this protest. We need victory. If you cannot talk, if you cannot address people, better shut up your mouth. What's wrong with you? They come out, they say, you do this one, you do that one, you do this one. See, guys, it's not as if I'm annoyed. It's not as if see, I'm here to just address people. You understand? So the reason why I'm provoking right now is just that the way some people speak, the way some people come outside the social media and speak anyhow, I don't really love it. I don't really like it. Please, don't forget, this is not a comedy. This is not a movie. This is not a film. This is reality. This is something serious. In anything you are doing right now, you need to focus and serious about it. Don't take anything for granted, because if you take anything for granted and they will take you for granted, my worry is that I imagine if we lose this battle, how tomorrow may be. If we lose this battle, how can we stand to take this mess? Instead of you to come out to address people good, to give them morale, instead of you to come out what are you saying? Man, I swear those your bill, they're almost different. They're almost do this one. See, me, I don't like gaga. But if you do them for our safety, if you are doing it for our own favor, as far as say now protest for the betterment of Nigeria, I know they blame anybody for this protest. If I see you say you will keep person, I know they blame you. I know will blame you for now until we achieve the victory. Say leader. Stop blaming people. Even if you want to blame person, if you know the person, go and meet you one-on-one. That's my problem. I'm not saying that what they are doing is good or is no good, but all I'm saying is for you to learn how to talk. Know what you say on social media, because they are going to use it against you in a court of law. Are you getting me right now? It's not because I'm happy for what I'm doing, The problem is that in anything you do and you post, they will always record it. They will always save your video. They will always save whatever you do now, because they say after death, judgment. So after the protest, everything, there are going to be a judgment time. And that judgment time, before the judgment, then they are going to bring out evidence. What are the evidence? Is what you say, is what you do. It's what you do, it's what you say. They are going to use it against you in a court of law. That is the reason why you have to learn how to speak on social media. You have to learn how to speak on this protest.